Let's see, we got white-throated sparrows, house sparrows, northern yellow-shafted flicker, mourning dove, and catbirds. Catbirds getting ready to migrate. There's another flicker. We got Mr. and Mrs. Flicker here today. You go, you get that bug. It's amazing. Read about them, they're awesome. If you like woodpeckers, the way they operate is really cool with their tongues. The white throat, tell by the white underneath. Males have yellow on top. All kinds of action going on out here. I just filled the bird baths. They're all loving life. Loving life on a Sunday. It's not a day of rest for them. Blues burying peanuts. That was cool. Oh, the starlings have arrived. Everybody wants to get in the bathtub. My catbird. There's the flicker. Hey, oh no, it's a starling that's molting. So the head isn't black. I thought it was the flicker. Oops. I'm sure they're here for the baths. Yep. Oh, somebody's at my door. Well, it's too busy for a Sunday. I'm filming from inside. All my birds are here. How cool. Hey, buddy. Little Red, you waiting for me? Can you see me? See, he's very patient. I'm gonna go now. Take care, everybody who's watching. Have a great Sunday. Ciao for now.